What up, what up, what up? It's your boy B-Hard back at y'all with another video again. We still in Myrtle Beach, baby. Yeah, baby. That's right.
Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang.
30. Gucci gang. Y'all twins out here. I see y'all. Twin in them. But yeah, we about to go get something to eat. Cause we gotta eat something. My stomach is in my back. For real, it's in my bizac. But yeah, we sitting out waiting for the Uber to come scoop us and take us. Where we going? To Denny's? We're going to eat some Denny's. We gotta eat something. Cause I'm gonna make sure it's real big. Cause I really ain't gonna eat nothing for the rest of the day. For real. You say you 4 minutes away? Yeah. So he won't. The Uber driver said it was too many of us. It was 5 of us. It's whack, isn't it? It's whack. Whack.
We could have been at Denny's, but that's okay. That's even better.
Yeah, but we found what's this place called?
Scooby's Ice Cream.
We found this place called Scooby's Ice Cream. They're gonna give us we ordered our food here. This is actually, yeah. So it's only a couple blocks from our hotel. So
Not bad at all.
not bad at all. We Gucci out here. We're gonna get this
We let y'all know what the food tastes like when they out here.
For real. Alright. So we just ate at Scooby's Bar and Grill. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. We had to pay for no Uber. That was $8 off our bill. We walked to it. It was just 2 blocks down from our hotel. We're on our way back to our hotel. About to meet up with Dreamer, my niece and my nephew. Look, there they go right there. Y'all full? Y'all feel better now?
Yeah, I feel better.
They better. You feel better, Toya? You feel better?
It's in my stomach. I feel like it can bounce on my stomach.
Feel like what can bounce? Yeah, we right here at Compass Coast. We at the Indigo Tower. We about to tell her to come out. We walking. She should see us. You hear me? Huh? You can see us. Tell her to come out.
You said she didn't go by the swimming pool.
Which one? It's 20.
The one where the water slide is. Remember when we saw
Yeah.
that?
Oh yeah, when we first got here. Yeah. So, what up? Y'all looking stuck out here. Percy, out for the count again?
Yeah, he's true. That was recent.
You full? How you get full?
Talking to them?
Shop where I got my dog.
Alright, there's like 21 pools up in here we can choose from. Plus, we got the beach. Yeah.
We out here.
Still recording right now?
Huh? Yeah.
You Shelly? You and Deja got things. See, I got flowers. Y'all got flower outfits on. Y'all kind of dressed alike. We kind of
Y'all trying to get in this pool right here? Y'all trying to go to the beach? What's going on? What we doing?
First, so y'all want to go to the beach? You want to see our room? Oh, yeah, let me see what y'all working with.
Good. We got that view though. Come on, we go this way. You said it was dog-ass? It was dog-ass, TJ?
I was cracking up when I heard you say it. They was like, I'm not using those words.
He got a once-in-a-lifetime free pass to curse because their room was so bad. Come on. This way. Alright, so what y'all think about this room?
But 8 hours?
Or this view, rather. Not the room.
I was about to say, the view is nice. I don't know about y'all room.
It's still better than yours.
Not really.
Yes, it is.
Privacy.
What you mean privacy?
Wall between me.
carbon monoxide and all that stuff.
You suck.
Go out the window.
Their view suck.
Whose view sucks?
Theirs.
BJ said y'all view suck.
Y'all only on the fourth floor. I barely can see anything on
It's
that.
got a direct view to the ocean, but it's the ocean you see it.
That's what it is. All right, y'all. Came a little late to the pool. What up? Man, how y'all get over there? How y'all get over there? How y'all get over there? Oh, duh. Gotta walk across this ladder. Is it warm? Dang, I meant to leave this wallet up. I meant to leave my wallet upstairs. Dang. Across a lot of water. I'm about to get in this lazy river. Huh? Right there on that chair. That's a lot of water to cross. I can't even. I would jump it, but I ain't gonna do it. No, I said I would jump over it. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna go back over this ladder. I ain't even gonna jump that. Can't even do it. I'll tell y'all about that story later, but I can't even do that. Over here. Shallow water diving. No diving.
Monkey.
Excuse me. Thank you. Alright. Guess I'll get up in this boy. See what's to it. I should take my shirt off. Yeah, I'm gonna take my shirt off.
Go under the view because my head is hot. Let's just go to the other pool.
He went under? This hair ain't wet. How you go under? Just seen him yesterday. Boy. No one is saying. Like, dude, there's people out here. You don't throw sand when it ain't no people. What you was taking deep breaths underwater or something? Oh, come on. Oh, dude, it's not. Now, that part I don't know how to work. I don't know how to work that. And then, was it water coming through the straw? Go under. Coming out here on the beach. Y'all got y'all pre-practice in the pool, huh? They got their practice in the pool. I did too. DJ almost choked. And he had the full face goggles on and stuff. Hey, goofy. How you almost choked and you got the full face goggles on? Why you holding your arms like that? You don't know? Take the shirt off then. Give me the towel. Give me that. Now take your shirt off. Take it all the way off. Bryson, your goggles right there, man. We out here on the beach. Where's our hotel? It's somewhere up in there. Actually, I see it. It's right there. Right. Can we get this one? Why not, right? It says reserved. Right. Right here on the beach. You ain't got it? Here, hold this. Yeah, hold this. Come here. Hold on. There's water about out here on this beach. What these youngers talking about? See what these youngers talking about on this water? Layla, all the way out there, that quick? She out here. Bro, this ocean, baby. Oh, snaps. Wow, we out here. Right there, we out here in this ocean, baby. Dang. See you later. Bryson. We out here. Hotel. No, he ain't almost falling in. Toya, he ain't almost falling in. All the way out there with it. I'll go all the way out here. I'm about to go to Africa, y'all. Come on, we finna go to Africa. We finna go to Africa. You hear me? I'm gonna go to Africa. Well, out here? Keep your mouth closed. This salty water. Oh, snap.
It's strong over here. I was over here. They pushed me. They pushed me back.
Pushing me this way. Oh. Yeah. Oh, snap, you saw him? He did that backflip up in this boy. Do it again. Do it again. There you go. Oh! And you landed on feet too. Where Toya go? Oh, I see him. Oh, there goes TJ right there. TJ! Jump in it, Layla. Ah! Out here, beautiful Saturday. Out here on the beach. Myrtle, baby. Whoa, snap, almost fell. Trying to go this way. Coming! Where you running all the way up there for? Why you go all the way up there? You went up to where the towels and stuff at? You got a little tan, Toya? Let me see your little watch tan.
I do.
You said this way you wear your watch at. Let me see if I got one on mine. Ah! I want to see what that Jack. Yeah. You about to bury me?
Yep.
Dig right here. You trying to bury me in the sand. Little homie trying to bury your boy. Trying to bury me. Bury me a G. Oh, he got it. Oh. What he playing? What's that called? Oh. My wife. Who that blue? What's up? This is fun to you?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Copter. We gonna nah, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. If you gonna put the sand on me, just put it on me. Don't throw that stuff in the air, okay? I told you about that. A lot of people out here. I'm gonna go rinse off. Look at this. It's all on my hands and everything. Hallway gang. We done hit up the beach and everything today. Now we out here. About to had to re-up on some, had to get some energy out here. This is the big boy too. Ain't no sleep out here. Ain't no sleeping. That right, hallway gang.